Hi, I'm Dustin Lemick, founder and CEO at BriteCo Insurance. If you're newly engaged, congratulations. Whether you've been dreaming about your wedding for years or you're not sure where to begin, planning can feel overwhelming at first. But with the right roadmap, you can take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. Today, we're going to walk through the key steps to planning a wedding. What to do, in what order, and how to stay organized from yes to I do. Your first step before choosing colors or venues is deciding on a budget. This lays the foundation for basically every other decision. Determine how much you can spend and who's contributing. Break your budget into categories: venue, food, dress, photography, entertainment, etc. Leave some room for unexpected expenses. Using a shared spreadsheet or a wedding planning app can help you stay on track throughout the entire process. Venues often book 12 to 18 months in advance, especially during peak seasons. Decide on a rough time of the year, spring, fall, or even a specific month. Consider weather, guest travel, and your vision for the day. Once you've toured a few venues and found the right fit, book your date. That one decision will help set the tone for everything else. Your guest list directly affects your venue capacity, catering costs, and overall logistics. Start with a draft list from both sides of the family. Consider whether you want a small, intimate celebration or a really large gathering. Having a clear guest count early helps with budgeting and vendor quotes. Some couples also create an A and a B list to help manage invites if the venue has limitations. Once the venue is secure, it's time to book the vendors that tend to fill up fast. Start with a photographer, a videographer, a caterer if not included with the venue, entertainment, DJ or band, and a wedding planner or day of coordinator. Florists, officiants, rental companies, and bakeries can be booked closer to the date, but get on the radar early. This is where the fun begins, bringing your vision to life. Start shopping for a wedding dress or suit 8 to 10 months out to allow time for fittings and tailoring. Coordinate outfits for your bridal party based on your wedding style and colors. Decide on a theme, color palette, and decor direction to guide your floral and rental choices. For destination weddings or dates during peak seasons, then save the dates around 6 to 8 months in advance. Formal invitations should go out 2 to 3 months before the wedding. Be sure to include date, time, and location, RSVP instructions and deadline, and a link to your wedding website if you have one. Your wedding website is a helpful place to include hotel blocks, dress code information, and transportation options. In the last few months before your wedding, you'll confirm the smaller but really important elements: seating charts and final guest counts, timeline for the day, vendor walkthroughs and confirmations, rehearsal dinner plans, and toasts. This is also a great time to write your vows and schedule your final dressing or suit fitting. You're investing a lot of time, money, and energy into your wedding, and your engagement ring. BriteCo makes it easy to protect both. Our jewelry insurance covers loss, theft, and damage, even mysterious disappearance. And our wedding insurance protects you from unexpected cancellations, vendor no-shows, or weather disruptions. You've done the planning, now make sure you're covered. Planning a wedding doesn't have to be overwhelming when you break it down step by step. Start with the budget and venue, book your key vendors early, and let the rest come together over time. And remember, this is your celebration day. Stay focused on what matters most to you and your partner. Thanks for joining me. For more helpful wedding tips and to get a free quote on protecting your wedding day, visit brite.co. Wishing you a smooth planning journey and an unforgettable big day.